Hey guys, welcome back to the show, the channel, whatever. And welcome to another episode of Failures in TIG Welding. So, as you might recall from a few episodes back, I had to order new collatettes for the 3/32 inch rod I bought. And what I failed to take into consideration is the length of the collet. The ones supplied with the Everlast 206 PI are about, call it 2 inches long, maybe 1.5 inches. Ones I bought are like right at 1 inch. So I got the whole get-up put together, and then I went to go putting the rod in, and it just didn't work. So nonetheless, we're gonna have to push this off another who knows how long. So it's disappointing, but I guess learn from my mistake, and so now I've either got to buy a smaller diameter rod or buy more collatettes. I guess we'll figure out which one's cheaper. That's gonna do it for this week. Till next time, peace out.